How to fix if NFC is not working in Moto G Stylus. First of all, enable NFC. Open setting now. In settings, scroll down, click on connected device, click on connection preferences and click on NFC. Now here you will see NFC button, and if you want to enable NFC, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, enable NFC from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, update all apps. Open Play Store now. In Play Store, click on your profile icon, click on manage apps and device, click on updates available. Now here you will see update apps, and if you want to update all apps, then click on update all. After click on update all app will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Again, open settings, scroll down, click on system updates, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset options, click on reset device setting, and again click on reset device setting. All setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix if NFC is not working in Moto G Stylus. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.